Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about audio and video HTML5 tags. So start with creating a new file and HTML5 and the title audio and video. We will start with heading H1 video player and with the video tag video. Source, I am not giving right now any source, but a message in case of error that your browser does not support video. And for the source we need to create a folder where we can place our video. So create a folder named video and then open Explorer where we have videos. We have just drag and drop a video here. And in the source we will provide this. Now let's check this. Reveal in Explorer, double click the file, and here is our video player. Let's control its width and height. Let's give it a width of 500 pixels and height of 300 pixels. And here is our video player. But we don't have any buttons here to play or pause the video. So let's go back to our code and add here controls. Now refresh and here we do have. Now here are control. Assalamu alaikum. Let's add some audio. For this, create a folder audio. Here we will place all of our audio files. So let's copy and paste here and add a tag of audio. Let's add heading audio player and with an audio tag and the error message in case if the browser does not support, and the source under audio folder and the file name. Let's check this and here you can see that we don't have any player. It is because we have to assign controls here. Without controls it will not work. Now refresh. Here it is. So these are audio and video players. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.